Hey, welcome back guys to my new video, and in this video I would like to do another unboxing of a feature phone, which is I think the best feature phone out there in the current times. So it is from a company which usually produce battery cells, and this model, I think how Nokia should, follow suit. And this phone, I think that it was, stated there is a smart feature phone. So Nokia, please do listen to your customers. You are putting price up to certain models which have lesser feature from this smart feature model. So this time I'm gonna unbox a feature phone from Energizer Mobile, which is the E241S, the smartphone from Energizer. So before that, we could now look at the official promotional video that already stated the features of this phone, and then we straight at the unboxing. Okay, without further ado, let's enjoy the video. So this is the phone that I'm talking about. So first we cut to the wrap, this bubble wrap. So inside it we have the phone. This is the phone. I got the white packaging. Usually I saw those reviews in YouTube channel. They have this black box. This is a can box. Okay, so we open up the cable tie from here to here. So for that, this is the specs that you saw before in the promotional video by the Energizer. So VGA front and rear, 2-slot slim, 1900 milliamp hour battery, 4G LTE. What else you want? Wi-Fi, everything. This is the ultimate feature smartphone. It's feature phone. So open up. There we go. The phone itself. So before we go to the phone, we want to see that what's inside the box, what comes inside the box. This is the charging pin. I believe that they supply us with 2 charging pins, which is this is the the usual charging pin, and then this 2 socket and 3 socket, I believe so. So put that there. And inside it we have, this is an earpiece. The earpiece, earpiece, and this is the charging cable. So charging cable is a USB port. Yep, there you go. And inside this is the, so this is the battery. We're gonna open up this battery, put up inside the phone, and yep, this is the 1900 milliamp hour. So I would put that there, and inside it that we have this paperwork for manual and everything, how to operate it in English and also in Arabic. So now you see the phone itself. This is the phone. This is the phone that I'm talking about, that how Nokia should build such phone. This is a feature phone, the size is the same with this, Nokia 3310, 3310. Okay, the form factor is quite the same, but this one have this carbon fiber, kind of finish. Very nice to hold. And yeah, the button seems clicky, so open up this. I'm gonna put there inside there, and how the heck am I gonna open this? Yep, I'm gonna pause. So there's a gap over here that we can peel off to open up the back casing. So yeah, this phone is kind of sturdy, but this is plastic built. You don't expect much from a what do you call that, feature phone. It's quite cheap. Costs about $39 in US dollars, and in Malaysia ringgit is about 160. And later on I'm gonna put side by side by the latest feature phone by Nokia. So we're gonna try to boot up this phone. Yeah, Energizer, powered by KaiOS. So basically this is one of the best KaiOS feature phone out there. It was stated that this is a smart feature phone. Yeah, very smart. You have all those things that you need. You can do WhatsApp, Facebook, Google Apps, and this one have a GPS. You can watch YouTube, okay. Decided. So English. Okay, English US. Next. Network. Yep. I'm gonna put that first. So I connected to the Wi-Fi, and then this is came out from the setting. So long press to speak. So this is long press. You're gonna go straight to Google Assistant, and yep, this is how you're gonna test it out later. Okay, so yeah, as you can see now that this is the, you press up, you're gonna go to the control center. Can control the volume. Back is, left is, can navigate through this option here, YouTube, maps, all your media, social. Okay, and press in the middle, you're gonna go straight to the layout of the, what do you call it, app drawer. Okay, have call log, contact, store, Google. This is kind of fun. Okay, camera. Why not we try this one? Okay, YouTube. Yep. Yeah. Well, it's kind of fun. So we're gonna search for ideal. I want to see how my page, my channel. Okay, enter, done. Yep, see there, about 141 subscribers. Let's go. You can hear the sound quality. This automatic portrait mode. So how to get out? Press 7. So you're gonna go back. So this is back button. Basically the this button is a back button. So if you want to go to, we call that the menu. So long press, you're gonna get you straight out to the main page. Yeah. So my comments on this, okay, the button, yeah, buttons seem fine for me. Seem fine. So we are not, custom yet to this button over here, but overall for this price range, $39, $39 or 160 ringgit. So this is one of the best feature phone out there. We have Wi-Fi, we have 4G, both rear and front camera. I'm gonna test the camera. So yep, you like to know your location. Whoa, yeah, this is the photo, this is the video mode. So this is photo mode. You don't expect much from this feature phone, quality of a phone. So yeah, okay, back and camera option, front. Yeah, that's my face. Quite nice. Okay. So next we're gonna look at this news. The, what do you call that? FM radio. Does it have FM radio without? So the interesting thing is the radio. You don't need any earphone to operate the radio as an antenna. So that's a good thing for this feature phone. So yeah, file manager. Yeah, this is a very smart feature phone. Akai OS, very promising operating system. Notes, maps. Let's go maps. Wow. So now Woo. Okay. So I'm gonna put the latest Nokia phone to see the differences of the what do you call that, display of both the style phones. So basically this phone is quite the same size. The height is the same. I think the same. Yep, the height is the same. So Nokia is a legendary brand. Should have make this move. Having a much lower price for a feature phone which have so many features like this Energizer over here. So Nokia, they're gonna sell this about $49, $10 more than the Energizer. $49 equals to about 199 ringgit Malaysian currency. So yeah, this is much cheaper than this one. So basically, side by side comparison. Okay, this is a much better phone. So Nokia, please do make something like this in the future, so that you can revive your company. So that's it. They're gonna try this phone and they're gonna give another in-depth review afterwards. So thank you very much for tuning in to my channel. Thank you very much.